So good morning guys. And ngayon meron akong another experiment. So I did bought some ticket like this one and this one. So I found out something regarding about the element. So you can get armor here and also element. So let's try this one. Okay. So I don't know how to do this. So I'll just go this way. Okay, so I think it needs party. I guess so. So, well, look for something. Baka may ma-party tayo dito. Somewhere. So, here, let's have invitation. Decline. I guess. Let's try inside. We'll find someone who is willing to add us. Okay, if this one is willing, and it's not. Hmm. I did something like that, I guess. So, yung purpose ko lang naman is makahanap ng party. So, I'll just look for it, something. So, this is an experiment. It's an experiment, guys. So, I'll be back at the portal. Somewhere. So, I'm in a hurry since I'm sorry, I apologize. I am going to work right now, but um, give just a few minutes to create this video. Okay, so here it is. I got party, and let's create. So ganito guys, subukan natin yung scroll. So I'll try. Alright. What does it mean? I can't proceed. So I'll buy another ticket somewhere here in this market. So let's look for something that will allow us to enter. So, okay, apologize. Both aren't accepting our So, I don't know what's the purpose of that gatekeeper. I just did try. Well, unfortunately, it didn't work. So there's a lot of possibility right here, like this one. You can still have um, lots of how we can have many options. It seems that I just tried everything, but that doesn't work. So um, just for this moment, the element stays right this way, and you can just do farm whichever you like here. So there's some another places you can go right this way when you want to go for a low level farming. You get the same lot as what it indicates right there, and you can bought at the shop if you want. So that's all for now, and I'm sorry if that fails. So this is just a little experiment I did, and guess it doesn't work. No matter how many times I tried, it didn't go teleported. So that's it. And I search it somewhere to look how it works. So those who knows something about this, just drop comment below and tell us how this works. I guess it has um, good options of loads right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and just don't forget to subscribe.